massive natural monolith near Abuja, Nigeria. Known as the gateway to Abuja, it attracts tourists with its unique human-like face on the surface. Visitors love the scenic views and cultural significance of the rock. Owu Waterfalls in Kwara State is Nigeria's highest waterfall, cascading from a height of about 120 meters. Tourists enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, beautiful surroundings, and refreshing waters, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Oguta Lake. Oguta Lake is the largest natural lake in southeastern Nigeria. Surrounded by lush greenery, it offers boat rides, swimming, and relaxation. Tourists enjoy the calm water, beautiful landscape, and cultural heritage of the surrounding Oguta community. Tarkwa Bay Beach in Lagos is a popular tourist destination accessible by boat. It offers soft sand, clear waters, and water sports. Visitors love sunbathing, swimming, and reading. Tourists visit old Nepa sites to explore the vintage architecture.